Hey guys, it's Dr. Kresimir. I'm a chiropractor here in London, Ontario, Canada. If you've been following along, you're gonna notice that I'm not in the normal environment for the videos. And today we're gonna be talking about everyday things that you should be doing for your shoulder. Now, a couple things. Number one, if any of this stuff does not feel right or something feels off, please stop and go see your healthcare provider. Number two, I'm at the gym for a reason. One of the exercises that I'm gonna be showing you is how to hang properly from a bar. If you don't have a bar at home, you need to get a bar at home. It's one of those things that will really help. You know, when everything was on shutdown the first time, I wasn't able to get to the gym, and then coming back, I noticed how much I missed, not just for my shoulders and for my upper back, but for everything. So there's gonna be 3 exercises today. The first one you've seen multiple times. You're gonna need your trusty foam roller. So shoulder's very complicated and complex in the sense that when people say, you know, my shoulder hurts, it's not just this joint, it's a lot of joints. So with this one specifically, we're gonna be targeting your upper back. And I know that you've seen similar to this. You want to be supporting interlocking your hands and supporting your head. Keep your core nice and engaged. And again, the point is to bring shoulder flexion. I want to be able to open up my shoulders. A lot of times when we're sitting at a desk, what starts to happen is our shoulders close down and we have to have a way to open them up. So you're going to be laying flat on the foam roller and you're going to be working on bringing that shoulder flexion. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, rest for 20 to 30 seconds, and then repeat. The other one is going to be a push-up plus. So I'll do hands and knees to show you first. You want your elbows are going to stay locked out, and you're going to let your torso drop through, and then up like that. If you can do a whole push-up like this, again, 8 to 10 push-ups, and the last one that I'm going to show you is hanging from a bar. So a couple things. Number one, my thumbs are underneath the bar and my toes are still touching the ground. So even if you don't have the grip strength with it, which would be beneficial to start to develop, if you don't have the grip strength, you can just hold onto the bar, keep your toes on the ground, and what that will do is that will help bring some length into your shoulder and also throughout your whole spine. And you want to hold that for, if you're just beginning, try to accumulate 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds and do that 8 times. I know this was, and we covered a lot. Hopefully you could hear me. I'm trying to let the classes run in the background. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you next time.